Sensei, what was the reason why you started training karate? Why?
First beginning with I wanted to strong because when I was elementary school time, some person, big person hitting my ear. Therefore, I can't hear anything. Then I wanted to return fighting to this adult. Therefore, when I was elementary school, I tried everything martial arts. Then at last, I came to university. Then I find out karate is best for fighting. This is very simple, my reason, beginning. But of course, after 2 years training in Takushoku University, then karate is good for development of character by myself. Good for training peace of harmony. In 1960, I came to Hawaii. Then I thought karate is very, very good for young people, development of character and peace of self and peace of society, peace of family, of course, peace of world. Therefore, I wanted teaching karate to everywhere in the world, but the beginning is in Hawaii.
Sensei, you were one of a very special group of people, of karateka, who came from under Nakayama Sensei, all JKA, right? How do you remember those times with that group of very, very special karatekas in the history of karate in the world? How do you remember that?
Because all family spirit,
the family, the nature, that's how we train, and whatever we do, we respect each other somehow. It was necessary to do that.
How do you see the competition aspect of karate evolving compared to the time when you compete?
私は初めて
1957, that was my first competition that I had experience of thing.
残念ながら4日前に右腕を折って手首を。
But unfortunately, I had the injury to my right hand that broken, but he was anyway participated.
But 2 days ago, mother came to Tokyo. Then I asked mother, why you come to Tokyo? So he said, I want to see you in tournament. Therefore I said, I'm sorry, I can't, because I like this.
He had an injury that the mother said.
Then I showed to mother, because I break my right hand. So mother said, karate is only right hand. Therefore I said, no, both hand, both feet, and whole body is weapons.
Both legs, several hands.
So only one hand is cannot, if not using, still you can fight enough weapons. Then I participated, and I participated, and then I won. But that time is okay, because all opponents look like slow motion.
And the next day, next year, after a year, everyone looks faster because his body was conditioned, everything and perfectly, but he also see what the power and the speed.
Then やっぱり心の問題が一番勝敗には大事だっていうことを理解したわけです。
He remembered that when you have the concept, the attitudes, your mind, psychologically and the physical must come together. Otherwise, doesn't matter what condition it is.
Harmony by themselves, harmony by myself is very important. because karate is training where is three basically Kihon training, kata training, kumite training. And Kihon is a good training for harmony self. How to why harmony? Because try right hand, left hand balance. The up and down, feet and hand balance, breathing and movement balance, power and technique balance, at last total balance. This is harmony. The Kihon training is good for harmony self. But kumite is why we do kumite, not just how to beat fighting. More important is how to harmony with the opponent. If you understand with harmony with the opponent, they never lose. Maybe therefore, I could first All Japan Championship. I could be good harmony with the opponent because I didn't think I will winning. Also, I respect to opponent because sorry, I can't use my hand. Then fighting is my feeling is. 右手を使うので怪我して試合出たのに。
You have to appreciate it and understand the respect. They are able to see what's condition where he needs to be.
I started my martial arts training in 1951. This was an accident. I saw a show made by the Scout, and this Scout was mainly judo and jiu-jitsu mixed, because that time judo and jiu-jitsu was the same. They had a few days of jiu-jitsu, a few days of judo. I was very impressed, and he was a guy who came just to France to work, to learn how to be a chief in the kitchen. But he was Japanese, and he was a Shorin Ryu, and he started to teach me. I did not know what was Shorin Ryu and his styles, but he started to teach, and I was very impressed, and liked the dynamic and the way he was moving, and I was fascinated. So this is my way of starting. I involved myself. It was a little bit difficult for me because I was living in a boarding school. So I have to escape all the nights over the walls to go to the training. I have to be accepted because I did not have any money. But those people was very idealistic. And they didn't care too much about payment or anything. They helped me also to go back to the boarding school over the wall again and run. It was dangerous sometimes because I have to go in a very, very dangerous way back through the window, with hoping that nobody will shut the window. So I was involved nearly on daily basis. When I was not there, I was training myself. What they taught me, I applied it. My first teacher was Hironishi or Hiroshi Sawabe. But it was not a clear cut like it is today between styles, and we don't know nothing because karate was unknown, totally unknown. It was only 3 students and in the private basis. So it was nothing we know about the history, the martial art history, and he didn't know too much either. First of all, I was training with the time Hiroshi Sawabe was there in Europe, and it was about 5 years. So already I had some level, and before he left, he gave me in '57 my first black belt. That time we don't know much about Dan, no Dan. To have a black belt, it was like to come from the sky. It was like the paradise. It was a very tough examination, very tough training, but still in the private basis. So we know what is black belt because we know judo, and I was also training judo, so we know I was a black belt in judo also. So I know what was a black belt. It was mythological at that time. Nobody was thinking about dance and any level. Just you have the black belt. It was the mythology. You are a black belt. After that, I went to the Foreign Legion. So in the Foreign Legion, we was training a lot of close combat. But the ancient and very useful way of training close combat, because the Foreign Legion has something, the Foreign Legion was built in 1831. So it's a lot of traditions, experiences, specifically in the colonial field, in Africa, in Indochina, in all the equatorial situations. And so they was using close combat because always the Foreign Legion was a minority against the big majorities. They were fighting, involved in fightings where it was few legionnaires who have to fight many people, and they was ready to die to the last one just to keep the task on. So what I did is a double techniques. Why? Because I blocked here, but he can still punch with his hand. So I counter to avoid the punch. But I'm ready also if he's punching, doesn't matter because his hand is working. But also here, I double, so he gets a shock down and the second to the face. I think what is specific in Shitoryu, it is the first is many kind of Shitoryu. This is specific also. But some of them, I think, lost their contact with the old realities. I mean, the practical and pragmatical approach was created the style of Shitoryu. Secondary, people are mixing also what is today katas. Shitoryu has a lot of katas. But it's not because the katas of Shitoryu was better. It is because Mabuni Kenwa had an ambition. He was to keep the karate in life for all the coming generations, the generation to come.
Competition, to me, very important because of, especially for the young kid, they have a place to show how much they have improved to the parents. Also, development of all the karate, newer techniques and strategy, everything comes together. So, to me, very important place competition is. Yes. First, Kizamizuki, leading a hand punch. And most important thing is you have to get in the distance, right distance, which is dangerous line. You have to go inside of dangerous line, then you have to attack. You cannot attack from safe area to attack. Always, distance is too far. Opponent can run away, or they can do counter.
Please.
Okay. First thing is you have to move in, then attack. If you attack from a safe area, always counter it there. So you have to move in and attack. Yes, the dojo committee and the competition committee difference to me is first they have to against people who they never practice, they never seen before, so they get pressured or they have to come over their pressure. And dojo, they know each other always, and so they trust each other more. So less cautious for the safety, but competition you have to opponent try to beat you, so they have to be very, very prepared. So I think that the difference, biggest difference to me, yes. Okay, next, Gyakuzuki, step in Gyakuzuki. Okay, this is the same thing. Whenever we attack, you have to attack from dangerous area. So when I hit first punch, I have to move my front foot first, not only doing the reverse punch. And that time you make sure you bend your front leg knee as deep as you can. So your body, whole body move toward target. Please.